very good question under circle geometry, and I need you to watch this closely, okay, to actually understand this question. Now, the first thing we need to know about this question is that we are asked to find angle PRS. So this is PRS, so we are looking for this angle. We don't have this angle. Let me label it X because we don't know it. So that is what we are looking for. Now, basically, I'm going to be teaching you some very important theorems that you need to take note of. So, solution. Now, this is what you need to take note of regarding the theorems. One, we have what we call angles in same segments. So the theorem says angles of the same segment are actually equal. But I need to explain to you what it means. Now, check it out. If I have a chord, okay, then we know the chord separate the circle into two segments. I have an angle that originated from, let's say, this chord AB. Now this is the angle. Let's say this angle is Y. If this same chord AB now gave birth to another angle on the circumference, it must still be what? Y. And if the same chord, okay, gave birth to another angle on the circumference, this will still be Y because they are of the same segment. That is what the theorem is saying. Now, having taken note of this, you now bear me witness that look at this chord, chord PQ gave birth to 40. So this PQ actually gave birth to this angle. So this angle becomes what? 40. Hence, we can now come down to say that angle Q PR is equals to 40 degrees. And the reason is angles in same segments are equal. Basically, so we've gotten that. We are through with that. All right. Now, since we've gotten that, then let's go back to see what again can we actually get to actually find angle X. Now, let's go back a little bit to circle quadrilateral. Let me explain some things to you in circle quadrilateral regarding what I'm going to do next. Now, if I have a circle, okay, now if I have a quadrilateral whose all vertices are on a circle, we call it a circle quadrilateral. Now, if I have an angle here, let's say the angle is A. Now, this A is actually facing this particular angle here. Now, but the external angle here in a circle quad must be equals to the internal opposite angle. So here must be equals to A. That is under circle geometry, under circle quadrilateral in circle geometry. Now, can you now see that I can now proudly say that this 68 is equals to the whole of this angle here, angle angle S, sorry. So therefore, I can now come down, okay, to have this conclusion now. That angle, good, that angle PSR is actually equals to what? 68. And if you ask me, I will tell you the reason is that the external angle of a cyclic quad okay, is equal to the opposite internal angle. So I've gotten that. Now, since I've gotten this well spelled out, look at this. If this is 74, this is 40, let me say this place is Y, for example. Now, you bear me witness that at some point, I'm going to have 74 plus y plus 40 is equals to 180. So we have 74 plus y plus 40 is equals to 180. And the reason is angles on a straight line. Good. So therefore, I can find my y as equals to 180 minus 74 plus, minus 74, not really plus again, since I'm picking all of them to the other side, then minus 40. So my y is equals to 66. So I'm done with that. But that is not all. The last thing now to do is this. Now I know that y plus x plus 68 must give me 180. Okay, so I have y plus x plus 68 must give me 180. Somebody will tell me why, what happened, and then I will now tell you that it is sum of angles in a triangle. Hence, I can now have my, remember y is 66, so 66 plus x plus 68 is equals to 180. So therefore, my x is equals to 180 minus 66 minus 68. So my x is going to be equals to 46 degrees. Now remember, that is exactly what we are asked to look for. So angle PRS. So I can then come and proudly say angle PRS is equals to what? 46 degrees. Now you can watch this video over and over to have a better understanding of what I've done here. So thank you so much for watching.